Hello everyone, thanks for clicking on my video today. Welcome to another video about screen printing by Catspit Productions. Alright, so today I wanted to try to quickly answer the question or address what it means when somebody says that a rotary press is all heads down. Alright, so what does that mean? Why would you want that? And should you pay more for it? Okay, so obviously you can see here I have this nice Ranar Elite Series 2. And, you know, this press is not really, it's not advertised as all heads down by any means. But you can see here that, in fact, it is possible. Okay, so what's up with this all heads down? Obviously, it means that we can put all the heads down on the print stations or the pallets simultaneously. So all of the print heads can be down in the print position simultaneously. So what's up with that? All right, I'll try to keep this short. So the whole concept of an all heads down press is that you could print more than one job on the press at the same time with multiple people. Okay, so the most ideal scenario would be if you had 5 one-color jobs or 6 one-color jobs. You could have 6 people on this press printing 6 different one-color jobs. Now that would work really easily, right? But what happens, or how do you orchestrate the scenario where if you have a 2-color job over there and even a 1-color job here with 2 different people? Once you have a multicolor job involved in the equation here, then the printers are going to be kind of competing for the print heads, moving them, right? So how do you orchestrate that? I don't know. I've never seen it in person. I've never seen it done anywhere, honestly. I've seen people printing more than one color job on a press, but not a multicolor and another multicolor, or a multicolor and a single color. I've never seen that. And maybe somebody's done it on YouTube. Maybe I missed it on YouTube video or something, but it would be fascinating to see how you can orchestrate that. I'm sure it's possible. Don't get me wrong. I'm sure it's possible, but it would be kind of complicated, and each person would really need to know what step is what, like it's choreographed, like a dance. All right, so in my humble opinion, what I'm saying is no, I don't see it. All heads down is not a major advantage unless you planned, on doing a bunch of one-color jobs. That maybe could be of an advantage to you. Should you pay more for it? Not necessarily, because here, here's the nice Ranar Elite Series 2, and it's not advertised as all heads down, and we don't charge more for that at all. But as you can see, it's possible. So no, I wouldn't worry about all heads down personally, and I wouldn't necessarily pay more for it because it might not be necessary. So that's my take on it. It's just one of those things. If you think that all heads down would benefit you in some way, then by all means it may be worth it to you. But I don't see how it's going to really be that much of a benefit unless you are some kind of awesome choreographer or choreographer. How do you say it? Choreographer, or a conductor. It's like an orchestra. It would be like an orchestra. So, but yeah, Ranar Elite Series 2. Available at catspitscreenprintsupply.com. I'm sorry, I couldn't help the obligatory plug there. So yeah, as you guys know, that I sell screen printing equipment and supplies, of course, at catspitscreenprintsupply.com, and I offer free shipping on a lot of the equipment anywhere in the continental U.S. and a lifetime guarantee on the Ranar presses. When you buy them from Catspit Productions. Only when you buy them from Catspit. All right, so I hope this video was valuable to you today, about the all heads down. If you have any questions, if I wasn't clear about what I was talking about here, what the point of the video was or whatever, if you have questions, just leave them in the comments below. I'm happy to help out. It takes me a little while to get to all the comments, so be patient, please, but I do reply to comments and questions right here on YouTube. Make sure you click the subscribe button today. Thanks a lot for watching, and of course, we'll see you next time.